Today we're going to be doing some cabinets. If anything can go wrong, it can go wrong. It does. So check it out. The sink's not in, and I came in the kitchen, dishwasher's running, water everywhere. So had to handle that. But in the meantime, basically what I'm doing is just I took off the door, all the handles off the cabinets. Basically all the shelves are outside in the garage. They're gonna be painted, spray painted white. I'm gonna use, the top came off this, but I'm gonna use this Rust-Oleum. It's good for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So this is actually a flat white, which is gonna look good on the shelves. And I'm also going to do, so these are what the old handles look like. So I'm just gonna basically take these handles and just roll them with, you just simply just put it like that. It's the easiest way to do it. Take that off and then you just do the other side really quickly, and then you can just paint. See that? That's it, instead of trying to like fumble with it. So that's how I'm gonna do those. The cabinets, basically what I did is went to Home Depot and I got a bunch of different, I don't know if you guys can see that, but a bunch of different shades of gray. I reached out on Facebook and actually on my channel, and I asked what color you guys wanted. There's either a few people said white, some people said gray. I'm gonna go with gray, and this is actually, where's that paint at? Oh, here it is. Of all things, I left the store, I got these samples of splotches here, and then I didn't get a sample of the actual color that I'm gonna get. But this is the cabinet and trim enamel, and it's white paint. And basically, you just get it colored. It's actually gonna be gray. Oh, there's a color right here. It's just a natural gray, and I'm not sure if you guys can even see like the top of the can there. If you can't, then shortly these will be painted. So that's another thing. So first, in prepping the cabinets, all I'm gonna do, see this gap up here? So I'm gonna take some plastic wood filler, and then I'm just gonna seal this gap so that it looks like the top of the cabinet. This trim piece here, all the way around, is gonna be white. And then the base part of the cabinets and everything is gonna be that gray color that I showed you. And I think that's gonna be looking really nice. Like I said, the shelves are outside. I'm gonna spray paint those white, and I'm gonna spray paint the actual back of the cabinet white. And let me show you something right here. I'm gonna spray paint the inside of this little strip white. So I'll show you what that looks like right quick. Yep. Everything is taped off. So that's all taped off inside of all these cabinets and everything. And then basically the cabinet board part is gonna be gray, just like the outside of the cabinets. These parts that were silver metal, those are now gonna be white. And then the handles, the ends of the handles are gonna be white. And I'm just gonna leave the middles like they are, like they came. I think that's gonna look pretty interesting. And we did actually get this fixed up here. Check that out. So this is actually like the light for the kitchen here, which is pretty bright at night. During the day, it's daytime out now, so you won't be able to tell a lot. And then if I flip it again, that's actually kind of cool. It's a night light. Yeah. So then up here, we got this all together. I went through earlier in the episode and just scrubbed all of that in the inside, took everything apart and put Krug Kutter in, and it made everything look really nice and neat. you.